Hi, I'm Rob Johnstone, and today I'm in the shop checking out Laguna's F2 Fusion Table Saw. The Fusion is a hybrid saw, which means it's in that sweet spot between the contractor saw and a full-size cabinet saw. It does have a fully enclosed cabinet, however, and its motor is a 1 3/4 horsepower unit, which means that it can run on standard household current. Those features make hybrids a go-to saw for many woodworkers. And this Laguna version has many more reasons to entice a home shop craftsman. For example, its dust collection is well thought out with an auxiliary line connected to the blade guard. Blade guard is easy to take off and, more importantly, easy to put on. And additionally, Laguna has engineered a great complement of riving knives for the Fusion. And speaking of safety features, this saw sports one that I think is often overlooked but is very important. It's common on European saws. It's the fore and aft fence. You can pull it back and adjust it so it helps prevent kickback, and you can also use it in lieu of a cutoff block for safe cross-cutting. On the practical side, the saw has accessory storage that is very handy. The cast iron top would be at home on the best table saws anywhere, and the blade insert has a nice lockdown feature. And finally, its built-in wheel system makes it easy to move. This table saw from Laguna is a richly featured tool at a reasonable price. You can find it at rockler.com or at a Rockler store near you. I'm Rob Johnstone from Woodworker's Journal. Thank you for watching.